back to my channel, and I'm hoping that you people are really doing well. It's been 3 weeks that I have not uploaded a video, and my last video was on review on the 2% hyaluronic acid serum from Minimalist. So if you have not seen that yet, so I'm going to link the video in the bottom bar. And in that video I'm going to try some new makeup products in that video. So I just brought some new products, so I thought just let's try this on camera and let you know how is this. So there are 3 products I'm going to try. All the products are eye products. So the first product is a makeup brush shade which I got from Flipkart, and the name of this makeup brush shade is the Futurekart eye makeup set, which I also give you the link of the products that you can, if I really like this, so you can buy this product from the link. Next product I got eyeshadow palette. I'm impressed by the eyeshadow palette color collection, and definitely I will show you all the color collection in the ledger. And the third product I'm going to try is a mascara from Essence. It's the Essence Volume Stylist mascara. So yeah, let's try one by one and let's see how is it. So I have nothing on my face, so I thought of just doing a full face of makeup, especially the eye makeup on camera, and also I will try all the things and I will let you know. So I'm going to start my makeup obviously with the moisturizer. I'm using the simple replenishing moisturizer right now, and it is the moisturizer I'm quite liking. I've said about this moisturizer in my other video as well. To prime my eyelid, I'm just using a concealer which I have because I usually use don't use eye primer. I'm also dabbing it with actually my hand, because sometimes your hands do the best. Perfect. So let you know about the brush first. So these are the brushes I got from Flipkart, and the name of these brushes I just forgot. I'm just writing here. So in total there are 8 brushes, and really like the color collection because it's very simple, ash and black. I'm really liking this. And let you know what are the brushes they have. This is the first brush. This is for a angular dense brush, a very angular kind of shape. If I take this like there is very angular shape, and this is so dense. It's a nice blending brush. The next brush I got is also a blending brush. The good thing about this brush shade that there are so many blending brushes that you will definitely find a good blending brush for yourself. The next brush is this. This brush is this. It is good for the outer corner blending. As you can see, it's very fluffy. The next brush is third brush. It's just like that. This is also blend, but it's really helping you to blend this side of it, possibly pointed in one corner and mostly fluffy trends. The fourth brush is angular brush and a very dome shaped brush, which is like that. You can see it's good for your lower lash line. It's good for blending your lower lash line, and also good for your lower lash line blending, and also good for focusing on one pigment. That's really very focusing on one point and one pigment. This is really good for that. Number 5 is this brush. This is so dense and really good for blending in the inner corner side, because it is somehow a little bit more fluffier, but it's very dense. As you can see, very dense. It's a short stippling brush, because this you can see it is flat at the top, but it's really good if you really just while depositing one color in one place. It's really good for this purpose. Last 2 are shader brush. One shader brush is a little bit bigger, as you can see, but it's very flat. It really help you to deposit one color, and also helping you to blending the lower lash line. And the last brush is shader brush, but it is small. It is not that big like that. It is very small, just like this. This is the area, but it's really good for depositing a pigment on your eye area. So these are the 8 brushes for Futurekart, and I really like how dense these are, and in that video I will definitely use this and we will see how are they. Now coming to where the main attraction of this video, this eyeshadow palette, which is the name is Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette. I was quite confused while I'm going to order that, because there is no return option, so I'm a little bit is it good or not. It was because yeah, the price of this is, it cost me around 499 rupees. I don't know what is the exactly price written in this, because there is no proper price written in the box, so I got it for 499. This is the board. Now opening it. It does not have really any mirror. We really don't need a mirror, but there are 4 color palette actually. But the thing is, you can't just open this up and down. You have to open all the shade. It's color coded. This is one that is have so many. There is some yellow brown transition shade. It's really highlighting for brow bone, and the rest of it and more color for green. Now the next is one is for exactly orange and red. All types of orange and red are there. This color combination is from blue. There's so many blue, and also they have a little bit more pigment on blue. This is really good. 12 types of yellow, so you are getting lots of color, and in the last band you're getting purples and pinks. So this palette actually covering a lots of color. There's so many colors. I'm really confused what color I have to choose. Okay, now I'm choosing this color with this color, and I'll use this pigment. Okay, so this is the 3 color I'm going to use today. I'm taking a little bit fluffier brush and taking this. Can you see? There is nothing actually, but just pick this more. There is something. Okay. And now when just applying it, wow, it has a little bit fallout. Apply eyeshadow first and then apply the rest of makeup. The color payoff is good, as I can see, but color really does not have a lot of color payoff like this, because it's not so much. This is not so much visible. This is the color actually. So I thought of just overdoing it with some more color, so that's why I picked. It's really very annoying why just showing you this color. Sea green color. It's not sea green, it's a deep turquoise color. Let me show you at it first. But when it goes on the eye, it really looks good. Okay, I'm also taking a little bit more less fluffy brush and a little bit more dense brush like that. I'm just applying a color. There are in total 60 colors, so if color payoff is really not good in that price point, you just can't complain. And what my matter is, I just can't return it. So anyway, so I'm taking this color here. I'm taking a more the small shader brush here, and just taking this shade over here and just apply this. Look at the color payoff. Look at that. It's not really so match my outfit today. First strip, I really like the color payoff. Now for my lower lash line, I'm choosing this color again just to apply on my lower lash line. Brush. This is a very dense pencil brush, which is really good to apply anything in my lower lash line. I think. Look at this portion. It looks so cute. I'm taking this dense pencil brush and I'm just applying in my lower lash line, and just merge with my kajal that it looks so turquoisey, The third product I'm going to use is the Essence Volume Stylist Mascara. Let me use that. Look at the wand. This is so good. This is strengthening mascara, and to just show the look with the help of mascara, I'm not using false lash shape because this looks need a false lash. Not bad. Yeah, this my makeup is already complete, and I really thought, after a long time I am doing this kind of colorful makeup, so I'm looking a little bit more because I usually do. I mean, I usually do like natural colors on me more, in every occasion. To somehow, if you do something after a long time, it looks a little bit different. So it looks depend on me, but yeah, it looks good. The color payoff was really good. And the most important things about this brushes. So let's just tell you about all my reviews. So yeah, these brushes are for 500. I just forgot the price point. It's just it's, I think for 350 or something for 8 brushes. And this brushes, all the brushes, when say eight brushes, more or I mean all are the 8 brushes. Usually what what actually happens, if you buy a brush set for a cheaper price, mostly 2 or 3 brushes are good and rest of them are not really good. But in that brush set, I found that the 8 brushes are really good. All the 8 brushes are really useful in their own way. So yeah, I really like it. And if you really want to buy this, I'm going to give the link in the description box. This color palette, I'm so impressed after my whole look. What I really don't like about this, the opening system, like, because it's really very hard to take any color from them. But also one thing is really good. I'm showing you how. If you keep this like this, if you keep it like this, so you can actually understand which color you need. And also this is one pan color palette. You can see, you can easily travel from this. You don't have to carry all the palettes. So in that price point, the color payoff is not so high. As I know, the pigments are good, but the matte color are not so high. You have to work with the color a little bit, but at that price point, I'm really happy with that price. And the third product I'm using in that product, this is the Essence Volume Stylist 18 hours. Essence Volume Stylist 18 hours Curl and Hold Mascara. And really like this, how it just up my eye look so much good. Because in that kind of look, you really need a false lash and a mascara like that, which is just not the alternative of a false lash with it, but still uphold your eye look, and looks bigger eyes is very nice. I really like the one, and also obviously the packaging is really good. So yeah, all the 3 products I love in that video. And I have tried all the 3 eye makeup products in that video, and I love all these products. That's all for today's video. If you like this video after watching the whole video, please do comment down in the bottom bar that which product you have used from this 3 of them. If you have not, please do use that. I have already given the link in my description box. And if you really like the video and the looks also, please give this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel, because I really need your support, guys. And yeah, also follow me on Instagram, and my Instagram link is also in the description box. And yeah, I'll see you super soon in my next video. Till then, take care, bye, love you all.